What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. I know this is long overdue, but for this video I would like to thank my first 1,000 subscribers. I am still very grateful for the 669 of you who have subscribed since I hit 1,000, but this video really goes out to those first 1,000. During that time, my content may have seemed a bit random: physics videos, unboxings, Lego videos, product reviews, phone tutorials, gaming, and much more. But all those videos were made with one goal in mind: just helping you out. In the grand scheme of things, 1,000 subscribers is small in the YouTube community, but it means a lot to me that I was able to reach those people and help them in some way, whether it be helping them understand physics better, finding a setting on their phone, entertaining them, or really anything that changed something about their day for the better. With that, thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for those of you who have stuck around since then. Drop a like for those first 1,000 subs, leave a comment if you have any questions or an idea for a future video, and don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. Let's get to 2K. Alright, I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.